Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make this Father's Day special rotating message box, which will be really good for gifting a father, and also this rotating goggle stand. Let's begin. So let's begin with the rotating message box. So the things we need for this are two big pieces of cardboard with some strips of cardboard, transparent folder, paper, two sticks, hot glue, and scissors. The width of the cardboard should be 15 centimeters, length should be 20 centimeters, and of the shortest strip of the cardboard, length should be 15 centimeters, width should be 4 centimeters, and of the longer strip, length should be 20 centimeters, and the width should be same as 4 centimeters. Now let's cut the inner border of this cardboard, leaving 2 centimeter gap from all sides. I'll be doing this carefully. Now once that's removed, we have to cover it with this green paper. Now you see, I have covered them with the green paper. As I said, there are two cardboard pieces. I have covered one completely with the green paper and one will look like a frame, so I've partially covered it. Now let me glue this transparent folder on the back of the frame. Now that's done. Now I'm going to take this cardboard strip and I'm going to stick it on the top part and the bottom part. As you can see, it's done. Now it's standing. Now I'm going to take this two longer sides and put two holes at the cardboard strip. So the distance from the end of the cardboard strip should be 2.5 centimeters of the hole, as you can see here. Now what we're going to do is take two sticks and then insert them inside of these holes. And I have made this that will hold these sticks for me after I stick this. You can see I am only going to stick the surrounding part of it and trying to avoid the stick, because if I glued the stick it won't work. We have to make it rotate. Now as you can see, I have prepared my first message on the card. I've wrote Happy Father's Day with some decorations. I'm going to write on more of them, even on this decorated paper. Now I'm going to stick these papers like this. I'm going to use glue and I'm going to stick them. Now I'm going to write my messages. Now it's done. I have wrote all of my messages. Now I'll show you them. I wrote some words on them. You will see them one by one here. Now I'm going to use this stick to the corner, and then I'm going to rotate the stick at the corner and I'm going to stick it. And now I'm going to slowly turn the stick so that most of the paper falls on it. I'm going to leave the last message like that. The length should be of the two holes. How much gap you're leaving in the end should be of the two holes. Now once the stick, I'm going to put a support at the top to cover it. Now this will be the cover of it. I have to now glue it. Now I have glued it. You can see how it's gonna look. This is how it looks from behind. But remember the completely covered cardboard piece? Yeah, this is what we're gonna use to cover the back part. Like that. Now I'm gonna carefully hot glue this piece at the back. Now it's done. And now I'm just going to paint this mustache. And I'm going to stick one here. And I'm going to stick a hat over here. And I'm going to stick this photo here. Now you can see how it's done. It's completely done. It looks really nice, decorative, and this is how it works. It turns really easily, and it's a really good gift for your father on Father's Day. He'll be really happy by seeing this. It's relatively easy to make, and it will be a good gift for your father. He'll really love it. Try it, trust me. Now we're going to show you how to make this rotating goggle stand. The first thing we need for this is a chip box. You can buy, Pringles and like that. And then we need an empty can, some pebbles, and colored paper. It should not be construction paper, colored paper. That's it, and let's begin. First I'm going to pick a colored paper. I choose light blue. Now I'm going to take this picture and paste it on the can. Now I'm going to cover the can with this light blue colored paper. Now, once that is covered properly, I'm going to stick the picture here. You can see that I'm going to cut it open like that. I like the way this looks, and I'm going to glue it carefully from the sides. The tear effect, it looks really good. Now, I'm going to take this roll the paper and I'm going to put it inside the can to cover the can with paper from inside. You can also use it as a pen holder. You can stop right here if you want to give it as a pen holder, but we are going to make a goggle stand. So I'm going to proceed, and I'm going to take this orange colored paper and then cover the chip box with this paper. Now, after it's covered, we have to insert this into the can. But before that, I'm going to take these glass pebbles and I'm going to put it inside the can to give height. It should cover the base that much only. And when you put it up, because of the marbles, you can see how easily it rotates. And I have put goggles, and you can see how fantastic it looks. You can just rotate and pick whatever goggles you want. It's wonderful. You can put a lot of goggles on this one stand. It's really amazing gift for your father. He will like it. See, it's very easy to make. You can also keep it as a pen holder only. Thank you for watching. Bye. I like it. Really nice.